In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to solve common time management challenges. Here's a full guide. Perspective plans with new videos and podcasts weekly. Join our Patreon at patreon.com/perspective plans for exclusive videos and more. Visit perspectiveplans.com for all of your planner and stationery needs. Only at Perspective Plans, helping you plan for what's to come. Feeling like you're chasing your to-do list with a butterfly net? Do you ever feel like you're sprinting through the day with a to-do list longer than Santa's Christmas list? You're not alone. Most of us believe the world would be perfect if only we had 3 more hours in the day, but newsflash, it's not about the hours, it's about how we use them. Cue dramatic music, time management. Yes, that magical unicorn skill everyone says you should master, but no one teaches you how to do it without sounding like a corporate robot. So let's change that. Common time management challenges and the relatable chaos behind them. The yes man syndrome. You can't say no. Someone asks, hey, can you take this on? And before you even blink, you said yes. And now you're knee deep in a spreadsheet you don't even understand. Wondering where it all went wrong. Here is your permission slip to say no. Or at least, can I get back to you? Preferably after a snack. Discipline? Never heard of her. If your brain jumps from answer that email to rearrange your sock drawer in 30 seconds flat, this is for you. Discipline is kind of like flossing. We all know that we should do it, but we often don't. Start small. Keep your workspace distraction-free, looking at you TikTok, and reward yourself when you actually finish something. Perfectionism equals procrastination in heels. You think you're being thorough, but you're really rewriting the same email 12 times and pretending the font choice will make or break your career. Newsflash, it won't. Hit send, walk away. Distracted much? 1 minute, you're deep in a report. Next minute, you're looking up how tall is Ryan Gosling because your brain did a full somersault. Set a do not disturb, wear headphones, and hide your phone like it owes you money. Prioritization problems. If your brain treats buying paper towels and writing that investor pitch as equally urgent, we need to talk. Try the Eisenhower matrix, or just use good old sticky note. Label, do this now, do this later, and burn this list. Organization woes. Can't find that one file, have 27 tabs open, still using sticky notes from 2021? You're not disorganized, you're just chaotically creative. But let's be real, a clean space can equal a clean head. Spend 10 minutes decluttering and your future self will thank you. Multitasking, aka getting nothing done faster. Unless you're an octopus with a laptop in each arm, multitasking probably isn't working for you. Do one thing at a time. You'll finish faster and with fewer, wait, what was I doing again? Moments. Procrastinating, eat the frog. Not literally, unless you're French and, well, it's lunch. Eating the frog means doing the most dreaded task first. That way everything else feels like a victory lap. Burnout, the unwelcome guest that won't leave. Burnout isn't a badge of honor. It's truly a red flag. Take breaks, ask for help, set boundaries, drink some water, and remember that you're not a robot. Unless you are, in case, carry on. How to overcome time management challenges without crying into your coffee cup. Look, nobody was born with a color-coded planner in hand. Time management is truly a skill. One that even the most put-together people had to learn, and probably messed up a few times along the way. So if you're currently Googling how to stop time, take a breath. These tips are here to help you win back your day, like the productivity boss you secretly are. Set boundaries like a bouncer at a VIP club. If your boss emails you at 9:47 p.m. and your brain says must respond now, it's time to draw the line. Set work hours and try your best to stick to them. Think of it like office hours in college. You're not open for business outside of them, and any emergency can wait unless someone's desk is literally on fire, or if you're being paid for it. Pro tip, turn off email notifications after work. The inbox will still be there tomorrow, probably even bigger, yay. Practice meditation, or just sit still and breathe for once. You don't need to be a robe-wearing Zen master in a bamboo forest to meditate. You just need a quietish corner and a few minutes where no one is asking where the ketchup is. Mindfulness helps you stop spiraling into the I have so much to do, I'll just eat chips and panic cycle. Bonus, meditation sharpens your focus, reduces the and can even help you stop rage scrolling Twitter. It's a win-win. Find your peak productivity hours and guard them like a dragon. Are you a morning bird chirping at 6 a.m. or a night owl typing away at 11:47 p.m. with just one more idea? Figure out when you're most alert and schedule your heavy hitter tasks then. Don't waste your brain's golden hours on tasks like checking inbox 0 or deleting spam offers for webinars that you'll never actually attend. Example, use peak hours for deep work. Save the shallow stuff like emails, admin tasks, TikTok breaks, we see you. For your real energy dips. Use time management apps because your brain is not a filing cabinet. Yes, sticky notes are great until you can't find them. And mental to-do lists, fun until they vanish mid-task and you end up alphabetizing your bookshelf at 3 p.m. instead of finishing that report you needed to handle. Enter time management apps. These digital lifesavers can remind you, nudge you, and even guilt trip you nicely into actually doing stuff. Here are some tools to check out. ClickUp, Todoist, Notion, or even Google Calendar with 42 color codes if you're feeling a bit extra. Bonus. Most apps let you automate boring, repetitive tasks, like updating status reports or even reminding your team that yes, the meeting is still happening at 10. Success is not final. Failure is not fatal. It is the courage to continue that counts. Winston Churchill. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye. I just want to take a moment to thank our patrons and channel members. This episode would not be possible without your support. Thank you. And if you would like to support the show, visit patreon.com/perspectiveplans today. Thank you so much for stopping by and pressing play. I truly appreciate it. Let me know down below in the comments or your podcast review what tip you'll be using. Keep planning for what's to come, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.